Psychology says hurt is often mistaken for anger. 85% of the time, a person isn't actually mad at you, but instant disappointed. Psychology says before talking to a new person, a smile from your gain the positive approach towards you. Psychology says losing just 1 hour of sleep takes over 4 days to recover, impact body and your mental health. Psychology says act happy and others will want to be with you. People love happy people because they want to be happy themselves. Psychology says the brain eats itself from the lack of sleep. Psychology says your nose is connected to your memory center of your brain. That's why smell can trigger powerful memories. Psychology says playful fighting with the siblings increases a person's social skill, vocabulary, and conflict management skill. Psychology says your biggest hater is usually not an enemy, it's usually the one closest to you. Psychology says relationships are as important for you, your health as diet and exercise. Psychology says 90% of the people will prefer to text things that could not never say to a person according to the survey. A person who turns 30 is considered old, but someone who dies at age of 30 is considered young. Life is strange. Psychology says tear doesn't come when you miss a person, but they come when you don't want to miss a person. Psychology says spending at least 60 minutes in conversation with someone you care about an hour before bed can really help you sleep peacefully. Behind every independent girl, there is an open-minded father who trusted her, not the society. Before breaking someone's trust, remember, one day you will face the same worst. Psychology says sleeping with a pillow between your legs may help reduce the back and hip pain, improves posture, and keep your spine aligned. Psychology says your heart have nothing to do with the feelings of being in love. It's only a chemical reaction of the brain. Psychology says scientists say you lose 12 minutes of your life every time you drink Coke. Psychology says some days gap is very necessary in a relationship so both partners can realize and appreciate the value of each other's presence. Psychology says the partner who fight with each other a lot really love each other. Psychology says study reveals 90% of the times we worry about the things that never happen. Psychology says studies have shown that consuming food without the preservatives will increase IQ up to 14%. Psychology says any relation born between the 16 and 28 years of age is more likely to be robust and long lasting. One health tip: soak 2 tablespoons of raw rice in 2 cups of water for 4 to 5 hours. Wash your hair with the rice water 2 times a week and they will grow non-stop. Psychology says eye pupil rises to 45% when an individual look at somebody they love. Psychology says hearing a single negative thing could damage at least 5 positive memories. Psychology says if you are out of the happiness, the first tear will come from the right eye. But if you cry out of sorrow, it will come from the left eye. Psychology says stress can make it harder to remember things. Try talking, breaks, practicing, deep breathing, or even a quick walk to help your memory bounce back. Psychology says apologizing doesn't always mean you're wrong. It just means you value your relationship more than your ego. Psychology says when someone appears in your dream, it means that person misses you. Psychology says tea and biscuit gives us a lesson not to fall for someone too deep that you get broken. Psychology says a hug longer than 20 seconds will release chemicals like the oxytocin into your body that make you trust the person you're hugging. Psychology says if you really love someone, even if there are a million reasons to leave, you won't look for that one reason to stay. Psychology says to avoid lung cancer, eat green chilies daily, and if you are a victim of the smoking, eating just 2 bananas daily reduces blood pressure, boosts brain power, prevents anemia, strengthens the bone, helps to quit smoking, reduces depression, and gives energy. Psychology says your shoes are the first thing people subconsciously notice about you, so always wear nice shoes. Psychology says men and women communicate differently in a relationship. Men communicate to convey information to solve problems or to get the things done. Women, on the other hand, communicate to build and maintain the relationship as well as to generate and share the creative ideas. Psychology says brother and sister relationship are like Tom and Jerry. They tease and irritate each other, knock each other, but can't live without each other. Banana high in potassium, support heart and muscle health. What is love? When nothing is okay and everything is hurting you a lot, but still you want the same person over and over again, it's love.